We are the power engine. We have this thing. Like it or not, that's the Heartbreaker's pulse. It's so almost a religious experience to have my friend back here. I haven't talked to him in ages, but we've been reconnecting. And to play music with this guy again is just thank you, God, thank you all. And you're not here to witness this revival, so to speak. You know him. He has a Dirty Knobs nickname, which we just named him. It's coming. He picked it himself. Woodpecker. Stand it!
How about this guy right here? That's my Campbell, man. That's the real deal. That's the real deal, folks. He writes them, he plays them. He's a son of a bitch, man. He really is the shit. It's an honor to be here.
I paid him an extra $1,000 to say that. Is actually on the road right now with Stevie Nicks, backing her up for a while. And he also has a solo record coming out that I hope you'll all buy it. It's on Dark Horse Records. He's another one of my brothers that we get to play again now and then. In fact, he's on our record on the Lightning Boogie song. Anyway, I can't afford him right now. You know, he's on the private plane with Stevie. We're in the bus and the van with the mud all over. That's the time. Okay, anyway, enough of that foolishness. While we're talking about the past, I'd like to do this song here a little differently than you might have heard it before. I know you've heard this before. Everyone must have heard this song. It was written 30 years ago.
Yeah, I know I was going to.
So, I had this music. Tom wrote the words. And at the time he wrote it, it was very pertinent, you know, to what was going on in the world at the time. There's a lot of shit going on. Political stuff and military stuff. So anyway, that was so long ago, and then we were rehearsing for this tour, and I remembered this song. And I don't want to do it like the record, but I was playing it like a waltz like this. And the words hit home so hard, you know. This song has legs, and sadly, it speaks to what's going on in the world right now. Still. You know, the evil and the fucking people that are taking other people from their homes and making them live like refugees and this and that. So this song is dedicated to all of them and to my songwriting partner and to all of you. We got something, we both know it. We don't talk too much about it. Ain't no real big secret. All the same, somehow we get around it. It don't really matter to me. You believe what you wanna believe, so you don't have to live like a refugee. Oh, you don't have to live like a refugee. Somewhere, somehow, somebody must have kicked you around, son. Tell me why you want to lie there and revel in your abandon. It don't make no difference to me. Everybody has a fight to be free. So you do have to live like a refugee. the dog. She's been all around the world. Anyway, back to work. Somewhere, somehow, somebody must have kicked you around. Who knows, maybe you were tied up, taken away and held for ransom.